What would you like to attract? Do you want to attract a lot of money? Do you want to attract that perfect relationship? Do you want to attract a beautiful car, a beautiful home? Do you just want to attract happiness? Whatever it is you want to attract, in this video, this one technique, this is going to change your life forever. The law of attraction is a powerful universal law that provides the opportunity to shape our lives and attract our deepest, greatest desires. It states that our attitudes and beliefs create a magnet to attract events, circumstances, and opportunities to live out those attitudes and beliefs. And one of the most powerful tools for utilizing the law of attraction is buying posters and placing them on your wall in your bedroom. Creating this is more than merely cutting out magazine pictures and gluing them onto your vision board. This is even more powerful. Hoping to attract your desires, now you can attract anything you want immediately. It's a tool for accessing the power of law of attraction and turning your greatest dreams into a reality. Have you ever stumbled upon celebrities talking about vision boards? Their vision board testimonies explain everything. Celebrities are just regular people who had a clear vision, and some of them, in fact most of them, placed it all over their vision board in their bedroom. They visualized daily, believed in themselves, and bam, they're all over TV, lavish events and social media, earning millions even for making an appearance. Oprah Winfrey, Steve Harvey, Ellen DeGeneres, Beyonce, Katy Perry, Jim Carrey, they have all used vision boards. Get yourself the vision board. Get yourself the poster of what you want to attract and feel it. Step 2 is all about feeling it. You need to become your manifestation, so when you go to sleep, you're gonna feel it and vibrate on the same level and frequency. So when you wake up in the morning, you align with your manifestation. We have the power to attract anything we want, anything we desire super fast, as long as we feel the manifestation in our hearts and we see it clearly in our third eye. Our subconscious mind is the most powerful thing closest to God. And these gifts that we have of manifesting, we need to implement them by concentrating and focusing and believing that everything we want is already here. Take this seriously. This is going to change your life. I think you should go out right now to the poster shop and buy those posters, whether it's a car, a model, or you want to lose weight, you want a model with very skinny and beautiful body. Whatever it is, you want perfect skin, or you want a lot of money. Go and buy those posters. Put them up on your wall and start programming your subconscious mind to start attracting these things to you immediately. Believe me, when you become a vibrational frequency, okay, when you're aligned with what you want, the manifestation will come to you faster. Okay, this is the science. This is the science behind this, and it's a fact. So it's quantum physics. Okay, what you send out will come back to you like a boomerang. So be sure on what you want, be focused, and buy those posters. You're going to have the most amazing sleep. You'll have great dreams knowing you have the posters of what you desire, and they're coming to you very soon. And the manifestation is going to be successful. I guarantee you, my friends. Please do support me and subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, please leave your likes and comments. Have a wonderful day.